Alright, so in this video we're going to assemble and install leaf springs. We might get the axle in, I'm not sure, it all depends on how long the video goes and how much I talk. But I got everything I need to assemble the leaf springs. We'll go over that real quick, but hopefully I can get them together and installed in the truck, and then hopefully... Alright, I got everything ready to go for leaf springs. I got my bolts for my centering bolts. Got all the little plastic sliders that go right there. And then I got also those little plastic slider pucks that go on each side of the leaf. And then my bushings, which are energy suspension bushings. I'll lube those up and slam those in there. These springs are pretty easy to put together. Still not a fan of leaf springs, but we'll get these together and put them in the truck. Alright, so before I hammer all these in, this is how they go in. They just kind of pop in. They just kind of pop in. Well, it's the wrong side, but they just pop in like that. And then you got this little pin that you shove in there, and then you tap it in there with the hammer, and then that locks it in. Here, I can try to show you real quick. No, I can show you better on this one. So you pop that in, and then you put the pin in this way with the taper going out. So you put that in and tap it in, and then that goes through the leaf spring, and then it pops out. So then that holds those little plastic washers or whatever you want to call those in place. So got one more to put in, and then I put these go on these. They go on like that. They're kind of a pain in the butt to put on, but it's not that big of a deal. So we'll get those on, get that last one on, and then I can start smashing my leaf springs together and putting my bolts in. she is, all done. Both leaf springs done. I got one in there already. But yeah, I got to trim both of these yet. The roll pin and the bolt, leaf spring bolt. But yeah, that's it. Super easy. And I really like the energy suspension bushings versus the stock pressed in ones. Because these will be easy to, you know, do maintenance on and whatnot. But we'll get them in the truck and then maybe throw the rear end in. Yep, I almost forgot I have to do the shackles too. But we'll see how good my YouTube is. No. Nope. Nope. Wait, maybe I'm just not close enough. My hands are all greasy. I always thought that YouTube thing was kind of weird. I didn't know that actually worked, but let's throw these on the truck. Okay, so I got the shackles in. I think I'm going to call it for this video. And then the next video we'll be doing assembly. And then hopefully that'll go pretty smooth. I don't see why it wouldn't. But until next time, peace out.